Please subscribe math.com and don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notification.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the second case of integration by partial fraction decomposition, as we have seen the first case where we have seen that there will be non-repeated linear factors in the denominator. Now let's see today what is the case 2. Case 2 is the improper rational fractions. If you are given with the function inside the integral as the improper rational fraction, then you have to solve it differently. How, we will see it later. But what does it mean by improper rational fraction? Improper rational fraction means the degree of the numerator is, if the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, it means you have improper rational fraction. Then before finding its integration, you have to apply a different method on it for partial fraction decomposition. Let's see how. So this is an example where it is clear that the degree of the numerator is 3 and here the degree of the denominator is 2. So it means it is an improper rational fraction and we have to solve it differently as compared to the previous method as in case 1. So how we can solve it? Let's see. First we have to divide this fraction in order to get the proper rational fraction, and once we get the proper rational fraction, then we will apply the partial fraction decomposition on it. So the step 1 is we have to divide it. So we can divide it as, so we have to divide it by normal method of division, that we have put the numerator inside and the denominator such a way, and we will divide it as, if we multiply the denominator by x, what we will get, I'll write here, it will be 2x cube minus 3x square minus 3x square minus 2x. That's it, because we don't have further term in the term of the denominator. So let's write them as like this. Change the sign, it will be cancelled out, it will also be cancelled out, we will get x minus 7 in the remainder. So this is the remainder and we cannot divide it further. So let's write it in the proper rational fraction form as, we have to solve this x minus 7 divided by 2x square minus 3x minus 2 by partial fraction decomposition. So let's solve it as, let x minus 7 divided by 2x square minus 3x minus 2 equals to, as we have a quadratic equation in the denominator, so we have to solve it to get the factors in the denominator, as we can apply the partial fraction decomposition when we have factors linear or quadratic in the denominator. So we can solve it by using the factorization method. What we will get are the factors. Let's write them. Will be 2x plus 1 and x minus 2. You can solve it by yourself, the factors here. So once we will get it, we can equate it to a divided by 2x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2. So let's solve it further as, it will be equals to x minus 7. We have to take the LCM, equals to a into x minus 2 plus b into 2x plus 1, and the denominators will be cancelled out as we have seen in our previous lectures. So we have to find the value of a and b. So for finding b, we have to put x equals to 2, as that term will be cancelled out in such a case. So 2 minus 7 is equals to 0 plus b, 2 into 2 plus 1, it will be equals to minus 5 equals to b into 5, and what we will get the value of b as, b is equals to minus 1. So this is the value of b. Now we have to find the value of a. So we have to put x equals to minus 1 by 2, as in such a case b will be cancelled out. Minus 1 by 2 minus 7 equals to a into minus 1 by 2 minus 2, and what we will get is the value of a, that is equal to, if we solve it, then we will get the value of a as a is equals to 3. So we have got the value of a and b. Now what we have to do is, we have to put the value of a and b back into which equation? Into this equation, and we have to combine it with this one. So our main equation will be x plus a divided by 2x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2. So let's write it. So don't forget that we have to find the integral of this one. So don't forget to write the x and find its integral as well with a and b term form of the partial fraction decomposition. So let's write it further as, so this was the question, and we can write it in the form after division as x plus x minus 7 divided by 2x square minus 3x minus 2. Now it was further simplified by using the partial fraction decomposition as x plus, if I write don't forget to write this. So x plus x minus 7 divided by, we have to write the factor form here. So the factors form was 2x plus 1 and x minus 2. We have already seen, just writing for your ease. It will be further written as integration of x dx plus, here we have to apply the partial fraction decomposition where we have written a over b form. So a divided by 2x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 2 dx. So the integration of x is x square divided by 2. This is so easy. Plus we will place by a the values of a and b, that are, the value of a is 3 divided by 2x plus 1 minus the value of b is 1. So 1 divided by minus 1. So minus 1 divided by x minus 2 dx. So we'll take their integrals separately. X square divided by 2 plus integration of 3 divided by 2x plus 1 minus dx minus integration of 1 divided by x minus 2 dx, and what we will get is x square divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2 into natural log of 2x plus 1. It is clear to you that how it comes out, as we have the function in the denominator and its derivative is 2, so 2 can be multiplied and divided, and then we can get this form as natural log of 2x plus 1 minus natural log of x minus 2 plus c. So this is the integration of the given function in which we have came across the improper fraction, and that fraction was first converted into proper. Then we have applied the partial fraction decomposition, and then we have taken the integral of that function, because then we have got the simplest form that can be easily integrated. So that's all from today's lecture. In the next lecture we will see the case 3, where we will see how you can deal with the quadratic factors in the denominator. Thank you.